Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. We have another shutter lock. This is the brand BEOROL, also the Serbian export-import brand, which orders the security systems from China. I think this brand doesn't import security systems anymore because those locks were very expensive, abnormally expensive for the quality you get. It says STRONGLOCK. It's a model name, STRONGLOCK. It's, I think, 80mm or 75mm wide shutter lock. You see the keyhole. It's some kind of elongated Yale-style keyway. So when you see this kind of keyway, even if you don't have any other markings like top security, high quality, or etc., when you see such huge elongated Yale-style keyway, you know that it's made in China lock. Probably ribbed core inside, made out of brass. And we're gonna see what it takes to pick this lock open. I'm going to use this wave rake again, and we're gonna see. I think this one will be much easier because those Chinese locks usually have low tolerances. Yes, we have to increase the tension because we have some plane inside. Again, nothing by raking. I think this lock has 6 pins. I will show you the beating. We have it open. We have it open. So it was easier than in the case of libero padlock. Let me show you the beating. Here is the beating. You have this deep cut, and then you have those pretty shallow cuts. So this deep cut protects the others, but in the case of Chinese locks, it usually doesn't do its job as in most higher quality locks. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.